Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Trust Wallet. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Chrome browser on your mobile, and then in the search bar, you just have to search for this Trust Wallet, and you just have to make sure that you have to search for this Trust Wallet old version, and then you have to tap on this first one. You will see this kind of interface, so you just have to make sure to install this one 6.72. Tap on it and then tap on this download. After downloading, just open the Trust Wallet app in your mobile and tap on this I already have an account. Click on this checkbox, tap on continue, and now you have to tap on this multi-coin wallet. You have to wait a little bit, and as you can see, we are in our Trust Wallet now. And now tap on this swap, and then in the search bar you just have to search for USDT, and here is your USDT, the second option, and you can simply withdraw funds from Trust Wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.